In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily cancel subscriptions on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off, head over to settings. Then at the very top, tap at your name to get to the Apple ID, and that's where you can easily find subscriptions. You can just get into it and it will show you all your active subscriptions. In order to cancel any subscription, you first need to tap on it, and that's where you can cancel it. To do that, just hit at cancel subscription. Also, from here you can change subscription plans. You can tap at see all plans, and then you will be able to select a different plan. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.